Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a Printify store with a Wix website. The first thing you will need to do is create a Wix website. You can do this for completely free using your email address. Once you have created your Wix website, I want you to also create a Printify account. So you're going to go onto printify.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Again, this is also completely free. And after following the steps that I'm about to show you, you will be able to start selling print-on-demand products on your Wix website for completely free using Printify. So you're going to go back onto wix.com once you have created the account both on Wix and also on Printify. Once on wix.com, what I want you to do next, you're going to hover over apps from the left hand menu option, and you're going to select App Market. After selecting App Market, I want you to tap on the search bar in the top left hand corner, and you're going to type in Printify. So you can do that real quick. So let's type in Printify. After you have done that, you're going to select Printify. Once you have selected the Printify app, all you'll need to do now, you can see right here, go to Wix store. You're going to go to the Wix store right here, and you're going to add to site. So you'll tap on add to site. So let's do that real quick. Once it has been added to site, we can tap on go to dashboard. So let's do that. After you have tapped on go to dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to go back into Printify. Once on Printify, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner where you see my Etsy store on my screen. You're going to tap right there, and you're going to tap on add a new store, and you're going to select Wix. After you have selected Wix, you will be redirected to a new page, and you're going to select the site that you would like to add your Printify on. And by the way, to find out the site name, you can look in the top left hand corner. So you can see my site name would be my site 10. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to select my site 10. After I've tapped on select, I'm going to tap on agree and add. After you have tapped on agree and add, you're going to be redirected to Printify. From here, you can give your store a name. So I'm just going to be calling it my Test Wix store. So I'll type that in right here. Then I'll tap on continue. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now upload your first design. To do this, you'll hover over catalog from the left hand menu option. Then you can choose whether you like to create men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, or so on. Let's say, for example, I were to select men's clothing, and I'm going to be creating hoodies, so I'm going to select that. After you have done that, you can choose your target market in the top left hand corner. So this all depends where your customers are located. You can select any one of these options. Once you have done that, you'll scroll down and you can select which one of these hoodies you like to use, and you can see that the price range varies. So I'm going to be using the best seller. You can also choose the print areas if you want. So you can choose all over print, back, front, side, or so on. So I'm going to be selecting this option. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on start designing. If you don't have a design as yet, I would recommend that you go onto canva.com. On Canva, you can choose a design real quick. And again, you can sign up for completely free with Canva. So for example, we could go onto Canva and just type in logos, or we could select t-shirt logos for example's sake. Then you'll be provided with numerous logos that you can choose from. For instance, here is a logo that I created earlier for this tutorial. All I'll need to do now is tap on upload in the top left hand corner. Then select my device, and I'm going to be selecting the logo. After doing that, you'll tap on open. From here, you will tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can choose the mockups that you would like to use. And you can see that there are numerous mockup images that you can choose from. So you can select the main mockup right there. After you have done that, you're going to simply scroll down. You can edit the product description, the product title. You can also change the prices, as you can see here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed to your store. And by the way, you can check the status as you can see right here. At the moment it is saying publishing. Once it has been added to your Wix website, you will see the option publish, and then you can go back into Wix, and from there you can continue setting up your website. So just give it a few seconds while it is being added. Once it has been published, if we were to go back into Wix and just refresh the product page, so let's do that real quick. From there you will see the product now, so you can see it right here. It has now been added to our website. So once it has been added to your website, you can view it. So if we were to tap on the three dots right there, we could tap on edit product, and from here you can see the different mockup images and so on. So you can see how the product page looks. So all you'll need to do now is tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and from there you will be able to choose a template, and then you'll be redirected to the Wix editor page on which you'll be able to customize how your website looks. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.